Thai seafood dish. We have prawn in this, a bit of bacon, smoked bacon, just a flavor. And we have some tilapia fish here, and some ginger, some all-purpose. So what I'm doing, I'm just combining them together and cook it down. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and like and share. So I'm going to cover it now, and then I'll let you see the finished product. Stay tuned. At this point I'm going to add some hot water to it. This is a quick and easy dish, guys, which you can have it with anything. The reason why I put a bit of smoked bacon is just to give it that smoke flavor. Please remember to try this at home or in your restaurants. Very tasty, very delicious. Now I'm going to turn it off. As you can see, nice and tender king prawns. Fish is ready. Then a bit of parsley over it. There you go, guys. Nice seafood dish ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.